Hello friends, Namaskar. Today I will be sharing yesterday's video in English language. So yesterday I spoke in Marathi. So the topic is everything is same actually. Content is same or you can say similar. It's related to the like you can say how you can keep yourself away from the negativity happening outside. Especially in these times when we are actually connected via social media, so many news channels, so many things actually make us connected to so many people like around us as well as away outside from several sectors, etc., etc. Actually what this can make is we can easily go into depression due to so many access to so many content, and also vice versa. I think using this media, everything, social media, news media, every media wisely can actually help attract positivity as well. It's the way you utilize it. But I think it's very easy today actually to get frustrated, to get depressed than before. That's my conclusion actually. What I feel, and that's why actually I have started preparing these videos. I prepare these videos, I share my experiences or learnings, etc. That doesn't mean that I don't feel frustrated. That doesn't mean that I never get depressed. That doesn't mean that I don't have problems in life. If you are alive, like if you are living like human, you will always have something or the other like that can cause depression, that can be frustrating, that can be a negative vibe, you can say. But it's in your hands how you actually face it, and do you allow it to enter more in your life or you keep it away. It's on you. So these are some points which I am sharing today. I am not sharing a story or experience actually. I am directly sharing some learnings, and these are very basic things. The way media shares one breaking news 10-15 times, it can be a murder, it can be a today for example India China this war and all, war in the sense that fight and all. So they share 15-20 times this negative news. So what I feel is, why can't I take this initiative, or why cannot you take this initiative to share positivity 10 times? Because these points might be same but they have some value, right? So first point, these are 6 points. Last point is very important, like being happy with yourself. But I will start in the serial order which I have written. First is practice attitude of gratitude. What does this mean? Gratitude is being thankful. What you have, it might be a dream for someone else. You must have listened to this sentence lot of times. But if we have so many things which others dream of, then can we just practice of thanking them? We at times think of people who have added negativity to our life, but are we forgetting to thank what we have already, living as well as non-living? Here I wish to say, we should actually start practicing this. We should thank all the people in our life. Whenever we get time, we should get that time actually and thank people, that thank you for all the whatever that they have done positive in your life. This is like attitude of gratitude, first point. Second is invest time in hobbies. Now इतने लोग मतलब so many people say these things कि hobby क्या है तुम्हारा, पूछते like people while interacting also they ask hobby क्या है तुम्हारा, what is your hobby, what are the things you love. At times we only tell them that the exposure traveling is my hobby, or photo, like for example I am doing photography since my childhood. Communication is something which I developed since 11th standard, that did MBA marketing and all, post that jobs in sales marketing. So what happened, I never left my hobby away from me. I always practice it. Today also this interaction with you is like developing my hobby only of communication and marketing. Which why I say this hobby, because you can just check my Facebook 5-10-year-old posts also. This is something which I am crazy about, communicating to the world or my close ones. Like if you are watching this on Facebook, like on my page, you are a close person to me. I don't add each and every person. So this is like something I am trying to practice my hobby. What do you do in your life? Do you give time for your hobby, or you are just engaged in your job and business, etc.? Or like you can say professional life. Are you giving time for your hobby? Hobby can be anything, friends. Listening to music can be a hobby. Playing an instrument can be a hobby. Singing can be a hobby. Dancing can be a hobby, which actually like frustration जो आता है निकल जाता है dancing करने से. मस्त music लगाओ, headphone पे लगाओ, चाहिए तो नाचो मस्त. Third is save money and treasure like relations also equally. What does this mean? Now friends, many times we treasure many like cost wise expensive things, like for example you treasure a car, bike, our mobile phone, expensive phone. We treasure so many jewelry, etc., etc. Are we like forgetting to treasure priceless like relationships in our life? Just check your phone someday. Maybe your school friends, those friends who are old, like older than 10 years, like I mean the relationship older than 10 years. Are you not taking the initiative to connect with them, or you're just waiting? Can वो connect करेंगे? Whenever they connect, we'll speak. This actually, in fact, creates negativity only, because those are your priceless possessions, friends. Why don't we connect with all relatives, our friends, ourselves, and speak our heart out with them? Practice these things, and I think if you treasure these relationships as good as money or these possessions, I am sure you will stay a very positive and charged up person. Fourth is avoid ego in friends and relatives. I mean to say everywhere, in your job, with colleagues, like boss, in business, while connecting with the team, like for me, talking with the vendors, with our customers, everywhere. I think if we bring our ego in between, I think we are heading towards a dead end actually, because ego will not what you can say improve the relationship. It will in fact damage the relationship, and in fact jo bhi kaam like something productive that could have happened, that won't happen because of the ego clash that happens in relatives and everywhere. So what is the solution? I feel is that first should be resolution. Try one-to-one resolution. If you see that the person in front is actually not trying to sort, but he is actually sharing something negative about us in his connects, then actually what I think is that you should let go. First try to communicate with that person that ये तूने गलत किया, you did this wrong, that you should have spoken one to one and tried to sort. But what you did was something very reverse. This cannot help in resolving these things. छोटी सी ठिनगी, मतलब even a spark can lead to a big fire due to the chain reaction. But immediately if you put water on that spark on itself, then it can be, you can say, a big mishap can be controlled. That's the power of communication, one-to-one communication. But many times we ourselves, what we do is, the person who is causing the trouble, we don't speak with that person. हम पीछे, we will tell our 10 friends, 10 relatives that he has done this thing. Will this help in resolution? Please tell me, will this help in resolution? No, I think no. But if that person is doing these silly mistakes, then at least communicate with him these things. And if he doesn't feel like resolving, he is doing this stupidity, let go that person. I think either two things will happen. Either with time the things will get resolved, or second thing, don't shift delete that person from your life. It's not resolving, because it will again attract negativity. Just check the time, 8:20. I will try to end in till 10 minutes, like total 10 minutes. Fifth point is forgive. Practice the art of forgiveness. Why I'm calling art is because it's very tough for me as well at times. Hatred and jealousy is very easy. At least I am today telling you these things because I have practiced this since several years. Easily we can hate someone. Easily we can feel like jealousy about someone. क्या उसके पास ये है? We start comparing. His life is so luxurious. His life is this, that. Visual मतलब जैसे films देखते हैं अपन, किसी का Instagram post देखते हैं. We feel, sometimes people feel so much jealous of someone. Will this help in attracting happiness? Will this give you happiness actually? Being jealous of someone, किसी को गाली डालना अपने को क्या मतलब, abusing someone, if you feel abusing someone helps you keep happy, I think you are the most depressive person, friend. Because दूसरों को चिढ़ाने से, दूसरों का इज्जत निकालने से अगर you feel happy, I don't think, I think you might be depressed. That's why you are feeling happy while seeing someone depressed or गाली देने से. Because this is a very worst thing that we can do. And in fact, the one who abuses, actually the most frustrated आत्मा उसका रहता है. The most frustrated person, he is only. And जो जिसको, like the one to whom we are abusing, at times he might remain happy if he doesn't accept those गाली and all. Last point is very important, which I have covered in Marathi as well. And I think this is the best thing. खुद का company enjoy your own company, friends. वी आर अ यूनिक क्रिएशन. अपना कीमत नहीं पता, कभी यहाँ पे लग भी जाएगा ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि कट करते वक्त लगा, then that blood comes and we start understanding the value of so many things that we have. Don't wait for that. Don't wait for that hurt to happen and then start valuing yourself. Today it's in your hand to value yourself, to what God has given to you. So many things there in your life. You can say this unique made जो भी है, don't allow him that what creation of God to live a second hand life. Give him or her this that whatever you are, give him or her the value it requires. Don't allow it to get insulted easily by some comment of someone, etc. Watch, like when I prepare this video, when I'm watching myself, because I start speaking in the selfie camera, I also feel very happy looking at my smile, etc. I enjoy it. I just want one or two people to watch actually. उससे ज़्यादा, more than that is already something excess premium for me. Thanks for watching firstly, if you are watching this, because I do it because I love this. Even one view is enough for me to continue doing these videos, and that's why I think happiness remains in my life. Touch wood actually, because I think if you start enjoying your own company, if you start smiling looking at yourself in the morning, afternoon, evening, if you start enjoying yourself as a person, then I don't think this 1 to 5 points also, that 6 point will be most important then for you. Do that. Sleep well, because I think a doctor, very senior doctor, Inamdar told, Avinash Inamdar has said, he makes very fantastic videos. He has said that 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. is the best time to sleep. At times people do most time pass at this time actually, and I think this also leads to frustration. Do some exercise, physical exercise, do some exercise. Not huge muscles are required, but do some exercise, walking, running, dancing, some muscle exercise, pull-up, dips, surya namaskar. Eat well. Anything that you eat, it can be simplest like dal chawal kha rahe ho, to be eat with happiness. Don't like listen to music, watch TV, etc. while eating. Don't insult that food. Again, don't keep the key to your happiness in others' pocket. Very important, and this is the mistake that we commit every day, I guess. Let's come together and try to keep each other happy. Sorry for the long video, but I hope I add some value to your life. Feel free to share your experiences. You can call me and WhatsApp me. These are my both numbers, 9890 571307 and 942288 3181. Thanks for watching, friends. Have a like what you can say, happy life ahead, and do share your experiences and feedback which has helped you stay happy and charged up. Thank you. Signing off, Kushal Mamarde.